Director General of Police jang ke Jylla Mekhlaya Dr. L.R. Bishnoi ulapan pau baka Jylla katan hapnang ke jengma ka bakrau nama ka jeng Jyllai baka jeng buon jeng kibriu ki badi drugs. Haba ajeng kren haka awareness program ka bala pelong daka health and hygiene cell jang ka Rivoy College menta ka sengi Dr. Bishnoi oleh tu bahadu kasnam arja ka khanda ki dan hadu kamba arlak siteng kibriu ki bala kerni haka jeng di drugs. Ba nakin di alak siteng tang hanang ba Shillong ki dan kamba san phawo jar ai. Kajing syirkai baka jing mano Droks laban labru na kajing yok Kurup haduk sispa arfo Klur tengka Droks. Bakamjur kembah nyefolak tengka ka Pisa ka bala penerkam balai Kurup niki beri kiba em kajing kai Droks. Halo kini ka bentan na kaliang jong uhe du jong ki pulit ka Jylla Mekhlaya ukot yaki samla puli yakin hikai baik ka emlak salang banyak trilang banyak persya yakin kajing seniu ka bayar thma yaka emlak salang.
Chemical substance, sometimes natural, sometimes synthetic, sometimes semi-synthetic. If you alter the functioning of your central nervous system, then it is a drug. You are taking food, but food is not a drug because it will not change the functions of your mind. It is good for your health. But if you take the drugs for longer durations, then you will become dependent on the drugs. So that is why we are concerned about it. Why we are so much concerned? Because in 2019, please remember, 2019, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, they have conducted a nationwide survey, and they noted in 2019 at that time that there are nearly 8 crore people in India who are taking drugs. So this is a huge figure. Now it may be touching 10 crore. And major proportion of that drug abusers are the youngsters, ranging from the age of 15 to 35 years. And many of them are students, either the dropout students from the school or sometimes the school and college and university students. So that is why it is a cause of big concern for all of us. Because you are a youngster, you are the future of the country, your life is as precious as diamond for us. We want to see the youth happy, healthy and smiling. We cannot afford to ruin the future of the youth by the drugs. Okay? So that is why we have come to your college. You must know some basic idea, even if you are not taking drugs, but if you are aware, you can save your friends, you can save your relatives who are in the grip of drug abuse, you can contribute in your own best possible. So quickly we will go through the slide. Jylla is a small state having almost populations of 36-37 lakhs only. It has 12 districts and 80 police stations. And you know how many colleges are there in Meghalaya? There are 70 colleges. Sorry, Hui is one of them. Hui College was established in 1984. 1984. It's a quite old college, and I was told that nearly 1,500 students are there and 40 old faculty members. College building is quite imposing, so I'm happy to come here. So why Meghalaya is sensitive? Because Meghalaya has close proximity to the Golden Triangle area. You heard about the Golden Triangle? Any idea what is a Golden Triangle? You have not heard? It is not a Golden Triangle, it is a Devil's Triangle. Devil's Triangle. Why? The bordering area of the Thailand, Burma and Laos, these 3 Southeast Asian countries, comprising a very, very difficult terrain, almost 9 lakh square kilometers, where the opium poppy cultivation is done. And out of that opium, heroin and morphine are produced. So that is why earlier the name was Golden Triangle, but now it is a Devil's Triangle. And the area is so huge that 40 number of Meghalaya can be accommodated in that area. It's a huge area, and that area is a poorly administered area, and opium is rampantly grown there, and they have there some improvised factories to produce the heroin and morphine from the opium. You have heard about heroin? Heroin, when I say heroin, it is not a Bollywood heroin. It is a drug. Okay, the spelling is different. So close proximity to Golden Triangle area makes Meghalaya a hypersensitive state from the drug village point of view. Because large consignment of drugs are passing through the states and it is going to the other states of India and sometimes to other countries of the world. Secondly, we have porous border. Porous border, you understand what is a porous border? When the borders are not properly fenced, when borders are not properly administered, when the administration presence is bare minimum and the people are free to cross borders from one area to another area, then we say that border is porous, that is open. We have nearly 440 kilometers with Bangladesh border of Meghalaya and 880 kilometer border with the state of Assam. So it is a landlocked state, but because of proximity of the Bangladesh and Assam, make it a sensitive. Then, as per the 2019 survey, at that time in Meghalaya there were 2.5 lakh drug abusers in Meghalaya itself, and out of that, nearly 45,000 drug abusers are there in the Shillong capital city of Meghalaya. So these kinds of the figures really frighten us when we see large number of youths falling prey to the drug abuse, and I can really feel pity for their families, because how much suffering the families are undergoing, you can only imagine.